The office said Dr. Smith will arrive later today.
Essays with few or no citations will be regarded as invalid. Many undergraduate students go back home to stay with their parents after graduation.
The recent study has thrown out the validity of the argument.
The results will be available both within the main course materials and online.